Hello everyone, it's Recharger here and welcome to another 143 scale video. And today I'm excited because I'm I'm posting this on the day when I am going to that collector's event in Estonia, in Tallinn. So my neighbor country. So I'm going up there to do a show. So to represent my country, Latvia, there, and also there's going to be not only me, but there's going to be other people. There's going to be multiple style of collections, all kinds of cars, trains, dioramas, figurines, and all kinds of stuff. I'll try to film it all if I can, and you'll see it on the channel. So, but for today's video, we have an IXO models Chevrolet Camaro IROC-Z from 1986. I have this car in 118 scale, but I decided I wanted also in 143 scale because this is my most favorite Camaro of all time. So let's get it out of the packaging. There we go. Comes in an acrylic case. Screw it down with normal screws, not like those pesky Opel collection cars, for some reason, triangle screws. Weird decision in my opinion, but okay. Let's let me find a screwdriver that will, actually I can use a flat one, right? No. Okay. Let's use an M2 screwdriver. Yes. Actually, let's take it out of the acrylic case so I don't drop it inside. And for the other one, okay, here's the model itself, and it looks like it might not be a roller because the front wheels are too chunky. Or it might, I don't know, it's getting stuck slightly in the wheel well in the front. Base details are okay, plastic. Well, this is not very well done because this is supposed to be a split, and you have like you can take it off in real life. So it's supposedly like a T-top. Or Targa top, or whatever it's called in some countries. We have this nice hood. We have the lensed headlights in there. We also have the fog lights, turning lights on the side. We have these very nice grill styled tail lights, which I really like. These really do show off their time. Rims are very nice. We also have, you can see it in there, we have brake discs with brakes that stay still. They don't spin with the wheel. Yeah, overall, looking very nice. The IROC-Z is a fantastic looking car. I almost had the chance to own it, and I kind of messed it up and didn't get it. So, yeah, it does roll. I can still hear that they had slightly scraping on the front fender there. But it does still roll. It's not like that Mustang which I opened a while ago, and just whatever I did, it just didn't want to cooperate, and I couldn't get it to roll whatsoever. So yeah, I think this is a fantastic model, and I hope you liked the video. Leave a like if you did, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.